everyone, so when it comes time to thread up your machine, I'm going to take you through how to do that. So on the side, I have plugged in this little adapter, okay? I have twisted around the switch on the side here and my machine is on. This is the pedal that I use to adjust the speed for the machine. So that pops on the floor so that we're ready to use it. Now, you are going to need three things: a reel of cotton, a bobbin with some cotton on there, and a bobbin case, okay? So what we're going to do first is we are going to put our cotton onto the spool pin up the top. We're going to come around. There's a little hook up the top and we are going to come down through the part of the machine that adjusts the tension. Once we get down the bottom here, we have this little hook. We're going to hook underneath and bring it back up. What we're aiming to do is create the letter N on the front of our machine. So if your thread does not make the letter N, you need to take the thread out and rethread the machine until it does. In the middle here, we have this little lever, okay, and it's adjusted with your hand wheel, and there's a little slit on the side. So what you need to do is you need to bring it around, hook it on, and bring it back down. And it actually stays in a circle down here. Okay, there's a little hole and a little circle, and the thread actually stays down there. Down the bottom here, we have a little hook behind our needle, okay? This hook is used to hold the thread back. So once I have done this, I should have the letter N on the front of my machine. So we go up, we go down, we go up, and there is our letter N. The next step is we need to put the thread through the needle hole, okay? My thread is now through the needle hole. Now, on our presser foot, there is a little hole in the side that allows us to put the thread through so it sits underneath the presser foot, okay, and on the plate. I'm going to pull my thread to the side and I'm going to leave it here, because what we need to do now is we need to move on to the bobbin and the bobbin casing, okay? So, I've got a bobbin and I have a bobbin case. So, see how on the bobbin case there is a long little hook up the top, okay? There's a little hook up the top. That always needs to go into your machine at the top. Okay, our bobbin fits into the back of our bobbin case, just like this. Now, if you can see, on the side, there is a little hole here and a bigger hole up the top. So what we need to do is we need to put our thread through, this is a bit hard to show you on camera, through here, adjust it all the way around, give it a pull, so that the thread is coming out of this hole here. So that is what it looks like. If you watch closely down here, I'll zoom in, keep listening to my voice. I'm going to show you how to put the bobbin into the machine and how to bring the thread from the bottom up to the top. Lovely. So remember, our top little hook always is up. We need to thread it on to the little hook inside the bobbin case, inside the bobbin housing, sorry, and we need to click it in place. Once it has clicked, it is in place. Now this little tab at the front here, see how it pulls out? That is actually how we get the bobbin out when we're finished. But it's in safe now. So watch what's going to happen. I'm going to hold this top bit of thread and I'm going to lean across and grab my hand wheel, always spinning the hand wheel towards us. I'm going to spin around about 2 times and I want you to watch this black thread come across the bobbin and pick up the light blue thread. So I'm spinning once, I'm spinning twice, and as you can see, here is our dark black bit of thread coming across the face and picking up the blue thread. Once the black thread has come across and picked up our blue thread from down below here, all you need to do is give this top thread a little pull, wiggle your finger through, and both bits of thread should now be through the top and should be ready to sew. After you have both pieces of thread up the top here, you can shut the door, okay? And you are now ready to place your fabric and start sewing, as long as all of your settings are okay and you know where you need to stitch. I hope this helped everyone.